Assalamu alaikum, everyone. A lot of information. I think you need to put my slides over there. And before you put the slide, I'll just give you a little bit of brief on. I'm representing HBL here. HBL is the largest commercial bank in Pakistan, and I think most of the people who are participants are familiar with that. We are talking about economic empowerment of women in Pakistan. A lot of data, a lot of somber issues have been highlighted. And I'll try and avoid all of those and just talk about some of the solutions that we are providing in. While other organizations are taking a great, a target-driven approach towards diversity, we embrace diversity as a way of life. The journey started a few years ago, and before reaching out to our external customers, we made some very clear decisions within the organization. And those has resulted in HBL being chosen amongst 46 organizations across various countries as the most inclusive organization in Pakistan in the corporate sector, winning 15 awards as part of the prestigious Global Diversity, Equity and Inclusion Benchmark. Everyone has mentioned Pakistan has the 5th largest population, 227 million people, 49.8% of them are women. So it is very clear that to drive our economic growth, the inclusion of women is a must. It's mandatory, and a lot of good work has been already shared in that direction. Despite being nearly half of the population, women in Pakistan only hold about 14.5 million accounts. That is about 27% of the account holders, with the active account holders in Pakistan. Keeping the low inclusion of women across Pakistan, HBL developed a diverse product suite of accounts and services, reaching out to the unserved and underserved segment of the society, providing its customers financial freedom and increased opportunities, educating and developing them through the HBL and NISA platform. I'm sure most of you are aware of the word NISA. It's an Arabic term used for women, female. So we went ahead because we felt that in a country which has multi-languages, NISA will make a lot of sense to most living in this country. So a comprehensive product suite, which not only includes transactional accounts, consumer products, insurance services, and investment avenues as mutual funds. HBL NISA is a versatile platform that provides conventional as well as Sharia compliant product options to satisfy the banking requirements of women across Pakistan, cutting across different segments. Under its non-financial services agenda, the platform also provides financial literacy through online toolkits. You can find them on our website, videos in the local language in rural branches, webinars with opinion leaders. Someone mentioned, we are doing a bilingual approach to connect with customers. In these rural branches, we're using 5 different languages to reach out to the local community. We have also, introduced Hum NISA and a host of other services designed to address the varied needs for women across Pakistan. HBL is the only platform in the country that offers free breast cancer coverage to its customers, based free of charge in addition to other protection features, all designed to safeguard the interests of women in times of difficulty and need. HBL NISA is a one-of-a-kind, multifaceted program that goes beyond banking for women and aspires to become a household name in the country. On the digital front, I think while we have about 33 million relationships as a bank, and we aspire to reach out to 60 million over the next 3 years, it is not possible to run an inclusion program without doing a digital account opening. So we are using tablets and devices across our network in Pakistan to have these accounts open. We strongly believe that digital is the future, and we actually position ourselves as the technology company with a banking license, and that is the vision that is being driven in the organization. The bank has equipped its branch network with tablet devices for account opening in remote areas to facilitate customers, especially women, that are unable to commute or visit branches either due to social constraints or limited mobility. We are offering personal loans on the mobile app, and the usual turnaround time subject to approval is about 2 to 6 minutes for anyone to avail that personal on a mobile app. If you've downloaded that on the agriculture sector, a lot of stats has been shared, and it's very interesting that in the rural side, more than half of the workforce in the fields are women. And I'm sure, there are a lot of people aware, and there are many people available, aware of these data sets. So to reach out to those, agriculture women, we've launched 2 DVCs, Nani Kisan and Agli Nasal, in 5 local languages, to acknowledge the contribution of women workforce in agriculture sector and to create awareness on women education. The other platform, you see, we are the largest commercial bank with about 1,700 odd branches. The total branch network in the industry does not reach out and drive our strategy of financial inclusion. So we have onboarded about 44,000 Connect agents in Pakistan. These are retail outlets primarily, catering to the financial needs, and it remains the primary vehicle for offering easy access to unbanked and underbanked segments of society. Connect is a branchless banking account tagged to a mobile number. In today's day and age, even the most illiterate ones who are still learning to read a line know how to use a mobile phone. And so through that mobile number, we connect to these customers. The account can be opened by any person holding a valid CNIC and a PTA registered mobile number in his or her name in this case. The bank serves over 1.9 million female customers under the Connect offering and continues to make stride towards financial inclusion amongst the underserved segment of the country. Connect has the privilege to partner with the government on a variety of G2B initiatives such as Ehsaas Kafalat Program, Ehsaas Emergency Cash Program, Punjab and KPK Agriculture Division, amongst a few of its initiatives to engage the underserved segments across the country. We are also running digital campaigns, female-centric QR onboarding to promote gender equality and digital literacy. Use of female influencers to educate customers on the benefits of savings and the importance of Gulak, a first of its kind digital savings product that can be purchased instantly via the Connect app or Connect agent. Benazir Income Support Program, which targets females in the most underprivileged and needy segments. This program provides the government a quick and secure way of disbursing large funds quickly by leveraging the Connect network. This is to us, this is just the beginning of the journey. As I said, till about 3 or 4 years ago, the bank had about 12 million relationships. And since the digital journey has begun, we have arrived at 33 million as of December 2022. So you can imagine the upturn. And with the digital penetration increasing, we are looking at about 60 million relationships over the next 3 years, which is the basic goal for the bank, to ensure that reach out to the underprivileged, underserved, and empower the women in Pakistan to have their own control over finances. So thank you very much.